Joining the college soon and wondering what your finance and transport options are? We have a range of funding and grants to help you during your time studying with us, from discounted bus travel, childcare assistance, course costs and much more. For example, if you're 16 to 18, you could be eligible for £40 a week through EMA. Or if you're 19 or over, you could be eligible for up to £1,500 per year through the WGLG fund. In addition, the FCF fund can help with meal costs, course equipment, travel and childcare. All these funds and abbreviations can be confusing, but luckily we've broken these down on the financial support page of our website. We also work in partnership with local councils and bus companies to offer reduced bus travel for our students to and from college. So whether you're leaving school, changing jobs, progressing in your studies or even returning to education, our funding options can help make your next course more affordable.